Okay, 1, 2, 3. Burp! Can you burp? I want you to burp. Ready, set, burp. Chug, chug. Go, go, go. Burp. Lugga, and burp.
I got no burp, man.
It takes time.
A real burp.
I don't know how to burp on command.
You could burp on command, no? You're not like a machine? What's wrong with you?
I don't
You
think
pee on command?
No.
Oh!
It's not in here.
You have bowels. We lost!
Burp.
I got no burp on tonight. You look like a burp. Goodbye, Mr. Burp.
Cannot burp on command.
You call yourself a man.
Yeah.
Everybody's burpitant. Like burp impotent, get it? Burpitant? Hi. Can you burp? Hey, baby.
Hi, darling.
I saw you checking me out.
I kind of did.
So can you burp for me?
Burp.
Give me a burp.
Oh, if you give me a beer.
Give me a burp.
I can't right now.
Oh, that's a big one.
That was a nice one.
That's all I can do.
Da 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 da. Happy Froshy to you.
Happy froshing.
Yeah.
Is this all your videos about?
Yeah. Welcome to David Edelman's burping show.
Hello.
Frosh edition. That was shite. Oh, she bit my microphone. Are you okay?
I got it.
Burping
Actually,
is natural.
no.
It's from
Here
your
you go.
butt. Comes
No,
out
it's
the mouth
it's
butt.
actually from your stomach.
Mouth
goes back
butt.
to your.
Okay, you have to suck your tongue in like this. You suck it in. You breathe up and burp.
Hello. I don't burp, sorry.
Why? Cause you're a girl?
No, because I can't burp. I didn't drink anything.
Can you twerk?
Yeah.
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 Twerk? No.
Oh my god, that was so good!
Thank you.
I can't burp on command.
You won the beer game. Da 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 da. Can you just fart on him for Frosh already? Just fucking fart on him.
Thank you so much.
Now let's dispute your contest and see who else could win.
Can't. If I had gas, I would, but I can't.
Are you gonna burp?
That was horrible.
It's horrible. It's big burp.
Who will win the burp competition?
No, that was not so great.
It's gonna come.
That's what she said. It's gonna come, but she never came, did she? No, she didn't.
Nice.
It's my Frosh beer. Yeah, it's trending.
Go up into your nose.
Check. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. You won. Thank you so much, Maybelle. Breaking into the beer truck.
Sneaks.
In Canada, we drink Labatt Blue. It tastes like shit, but we like shit. Jess likes to. Da 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 da. Thank you.